Hello, girls and boys, and now let me present you our design of a Kinex-based phonograph. The whole thing started as the science fair project for my daughter, and she came to me asking, "Hey Daddy, can we build something like a vinyl record player?" And we did, and actually it was working pretty well, but I thought we can do something better than that. And we started to build that kind of ambitious project, which is the phonograph, and here's the result. So most of the parts are simply the standard Kinex pieces, and with few modifications. Probably the biggest modifications we made is a special bolt and a nut which is glued together to two Kinex parts and which provides the movement of the record cylinder, if you will, over the Kinex machine. Beside of that, everything else is pretty much standard. We need a plastic cup, something like that, which we'll be using to record the sounds, and another paper cup which will be serving as a horn of our phonograph machine and as a receiver of the sounds. To that paper cup we glued some metal tube and the needle which is inserted inside of that. It has different materials for the tube, and in this particular case this is the aluminum tube, but it turns out that the copper tube works best of all, and this is the tube which is inserted in the working prototype of all the machine. So now let me demonstrate how it works. So we take a plastic cup, insert it into the device, adjust it so it will be not vibrating but wobbling during the rotations. Not good. Once again. No, probably started. Okay. Put it into the position. Now it's pretty much ready for the recording phase. Луч солнца золотого тьмы скрыла пелена, и между нами снова будто выросла стена. Ля-да-дом, ля-да-да-дом, ля-да-дом. Ночь пройдет, наступит утро ясное, знаю, счастье нас с тобой ждет. Ночь пройдет, пройдет пора ненастная, солнце взойдет. Солнце взойдет. Okay, now you can see that this needle, which we are using as a stylus of our machine, made some grooves on the surface of the plastic cap. So we rewind it back, and the theory, and if everything is right and the theory is correct, we'll put the needle back on the thread and we'll play out the song back. Okay, let's check it out. Not yet. Okay. So the biggest trick in all this technology is to put the needle back on the thread. It is really tiny, and the groove could be easily missed, but probably we are in. Oops, there's the truck. Okay, this is it. So good luck building something similar, and bye bye.